Here we go. So be bold and online everywhere. I'm trying to not have to do a lot of edits on this video, y'all. That's what I'm trying to do. All right. But okay. So get your message out to your market. This video, if I put this on TV, this ad right here. The only question is, how fast could you pick up your phone? Tell them they can get access to 4,987 homes. Nobody's asked me where are those homes. Unbelievable. But thank God I'm ahead of you. All right. Take another picture of this screen. This is where you give people access to homes that they cannot find on the internet. Loan officers, you can go or stay, but I want you to understand this is you got to do more. Okay, go or stay. This is good training for everybody, just period. Where would be, this might be something that a loan officer could offer a potential buyer. Hey, here's a list of off-market homes for you. I don't know if your realtor is showing you, but you might want to share this with your realtor or real estate or loan officer. Share this with other realtors. This is a value add. Hey, the owner of our mortgage company also runs real estate teams all over the world, and he trains them on a high level. This is something they talked about in training where you could get a whole list of off-market places to search. This is a value add for a realtor. They would love to have this, loan officers. Promise me, they don't promise you they don't have this. If they did, I would be in their training. Okay, all right. This is a value add for a realtor, I promise you. You guys took a picture of it? I'm trying to. I also posted it in Slack under the EXP channel. If you're not in our EXP Slack channel, make sure you get in it. Find out how. Don't just sit on the outside, okay?